Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Here's A.Naser. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And this video is gonna be about reimagination of education in the beginning of 2014. The video title is Reimagine Education. We need to make a revolutionary educational new methodologies. We need to change the world with education. In my opinion, the best way to educate people is throughout teaching. When you teach, you will learn. Other great method for teaching and education is interaction. When you interact with something, you move your entire senses. You be involved in the stuff that you work on. So you learn in depth. So there's many situations that control the learning process. We have this traditional system that we currently use in our universities, colleges. You go at 8 a.m. in the morning and you leave the university for p.m. in the evening. So why? This statically approach spread out around the world because it was the only methodology. Today we are in 2014. We have many new methodologies, technologies, techniques that helped us in order to move forward in making a revolutionary education. This video, we want to just give you some overview, some tips that you can learn anything you want without going to any place, just from your home in the front of your screen. This is not an imagination, it becomes a reality. It's become real. So, back to old days in 60s. This is a picture in MIT University. You can see here we got this hall. We got all these people, all these students, and an instructor. We got a blackboard, and that's it. So what we have right now in the same room, let me move to 2014. We got the same room. We got the same thing. We got the same blackboard, the same methodologies, except the chairs are in colors. Why? We have maybe 50 years shift. Why do we rely on the same methodologies and the same techniques? We need a change. We need to change from this old techniques in education to new techniques, using the power of internet, using the power of mind and technology techniques that we're gonna cover in this video. Everything is updated except education. Healthcare, transportation, everything is changed, at least in somehow. But education I don't know why there's no that big deal change in education. So it's time to change. See here, 2014, still we got this Romanian, um, I don't know, Romanian, what you call, playground. So they all, the whole, look at this guy. He's away from the lecture, 300 meter, 200 meter away from the instructor. So do you think this guy is the second Albert Einstein? I don't know, maybe, but this is really need to be changed to new methods. We have new online classroom. So just right there from your bed, you can set up in your front of the screen and learn new technologies just from online. Just using online classes, courses, and online tutorials, you can learn anything you want from best university, best instructors in the world. Can you do that? Yes, you can do that. In this video, we're gonna show you one of these top notch in online courses. We still need face-to-face or in-class meetings, in-class sessions, because we need somehow to wrap up everything we learn online into hardware, into pieces. So this is a course given by EDX, and you can see here these students learned from online courses, and they meet in a class and develop their skills. They applied what they learned in their classes, and this is a new room class, no labs. So this is a picture from University of San Jose State University. They applied one of these online courses using edX online training. They achieved a huge improvement from 41% retake rates and withdrawing, course withdrawing, to 9% just in one semester between fall and spring. And this is enormous. There's a rule. The more you involve in education, the more you interact with education and learning process, the more retention you apply for learning, the more depth you got in learning. I mean, learning and retention is related to the depth of mental processing. I mean, the more time you spend on mental processing of the data, of the information, the more time you spend on, the more learning and retention, and the more benefits you got from what you learned. So you need to learn in depth in order to give great and awesome and innovative outcome. So you see, like in Facebook, you do like, thumbs up. Why there is no such a thing related to education? Why, if we got a full score in exam, you got this correct, or writes right correct icon. You got this notification. You got correct. So why there's no such a thing? We can make a new thing related to this Victor. I guess this is what we have right now in one of the greatest online courses vendor in the internet today. We have edX. edX.org is one of the great websites that ever made to teach people virtually in virtual classroom online. So all you need to do is just go to edx.org, register. There you find your way. You can register and take courses online from the best universities in the world. You can see here we got schools, we got MIT, Harvard, Berkeley. We have almost one of the greatest universities in the world here. So all you need is just come to this website, register, go courses, and just register for courses and begin the journey. You can see here you can take any course at any time, anywhere you want. So for example, if I want to register in this course, Introduction to Computer Science, I can go here to click on the link. I can see here this is the course code, this is the course start time, and this is the estimated hours that you need in order to finish this course. So there's about 100 hours in order to finish this course. You can register for it. You can read a description about it. You can get a certificate for this course after you finish it. You can see here all the teachers that they teach these kind of courses. Alright, so you can register for this course just by clicking on the link, and you can see here we got Introduction to Computer Science from Harvard University. You can view the course, and also you can email yourself the settings for this course. So every media, everything related to this course will be in your email. You can see here this is the course information, Introduction to Computer Science. Okay, you can see all the lectures and stuff related to this course. You can work on this course and start learning, and after that get your certificate that's gonna be able to give you the opportunity to have a job. And this is really a revolutionary. This is from online perspective. Alright, this is not in your side. This is a technique that you can use these days in order to rely on technology. But the other thing is just inside your mind. You have to change the way that you think. You have to change the way that you use your mind. You have to best use your mind in mind-driven approach. And we have many approaches, and one of these approach is that's gonna help you a lot in using your mind is called mind map. So you can see this map, it's for a huge system called Siebel. Siebel is one of the complex software in the world. It got really a huge architecture and application environment, all configuration and stuff. It's not an easy system. So you can use something called IMAP in order to just organize the information you got from any field in the world into one single page. This page is just gonna be mapped from the paper into your mind, so you gonna be able to revise this, memorize this anytime, anywhere. The information gonna be inside your mind for all the time, and easy to consume, easy to remember, easy to innovate, to link together information in your mind, nervous or neural system. All right, you can see this map. It's just let me say a mind map for your for any information you want to save, for anything. You can see here we got 3D. It's gonna talk about the entire architecture of SQL, what it is, how it works, in linked stuff, in icon fashion way, in a visual way, just you see in front of your eyes. You don't work like computer, but you work like your mind. This is what I mean. So this is the mind map. This is how our mind works, and this is pretty much awesome. You can see here, you can view it in 3D, so you don't miss any information. You type, you take. You can use this method in order to make branches. For example, I get this branch. I can come here and just create a new branch. Alright, let me type, for example, subscribe. Move it a little bit. You can see you work in your mind. You work in your nervous system with this way. You make connection, you make links, you just make a central page for the entire information, whatever it's complex or not. This is the mind map. You can use it in your education, in teaching, learning, in memorizing, in business management, project management, whatever you want. You can use this way. It's really awesome. For example, anything you want, you can just rely on this map. You can put photos, icons, videos, anything you want in just single one page. Alright, this is pretty much guys about this video. Before we move to the next step, don't forget to subscribe our website ahmadnaser.com and subscribe to our channel Stereo 007. Actually, I'm just gonna make a new series maybe next week. This series, unfortunately, it's gonna be in Arabic, so I hope gonna make another series in English later on. But this series is about self-development. I'm not talking about computer technical development. This time I'm just gonna move a little bit into the most important part of the humanity of being, which is the human. So I'm gonna talk about some techniques, some self-development techniques that gonna, trust me, gonna change your life. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Stereo 007 all the time. Here's Ahmad Nasser. Thank you again for watching, and see you in other video.